Hey everyone, welcome to Bear's Workshop. We have purchased a central machinery plate compactor. We're going to be using this to flatten out ground and for things like artificial turf, maybe some pavers. We don't do much paver work, but just in areas where that we need to have flat. We bought this. We've got a job that's coming up, and we're going to be showing that job where we're going to actually be using this. This is brand new. We got this at Harbor Freight. They sell them for $5.99. Of course, Harbor Freight, you find your coupons, and I think I got it for $500 or $4.99. I got $100 off. Always look for those coupons from Harbor Freight for things like this. There's always something. So we picked this up. It's brand new, and we're going to go ahead and use it and show you the video and we'll let you know what we think of it. Okay, so it's a couple days later. We went ahead and we used the compactor on a job yesterday, and it worked great. Quick overview of a couple things. Pull cord to start it. You got your fuel cutoff over here and your chokes over here, and there's an on-off switch located over there. Basic engine operation, nothing unusual, nothing that really needs to be explained. This is pretty heavy unit. We've got a handle up front, a handle in the back, same type of handle. This is not something you're supposed to be lifting off. You've got your throttle right here. Everything worked much better than I thought. I thought this was going to be very jumpy and shaky, but you could push this around and you felt no vibration whatsoever. The thing that this is lacking, which would probably be really good, and I've seen it on plenty of other units, is wheels in the back so that you can tilt it back and you can move it around on the wheels. This one doesn't have one. It would be great if it did, but it doesn't. And for the price point, that's just something I got to deal with. Everything else, pretty good. The machine stayed pretty clean. We hosed it off, and it looks like it's as good as new. So overall, I had no problems with this. I liked it. I know this really wasn't an in-depth explanation on anything, but for the money, it's definitely worth it. It flattened out the ground, as you saw in the video, did what it needed to. It did have a slight pull when you're pushing it along, and it doesn't even really need push. You can kind of just let it go. But the ground was slightly angled, and it wanted to go in the down angle. It just a natural thing, I guess. It's vibrating, and it just wants to go in the easiest possible direction that it can go. If you're on a flat surface, it probably just would have went straight. But we're at a slight angle, so we're always kind of adjusting for that. Other than that, easy to use, not that much noise, and no vibration in the handle. Whatever they put in here to dampen the vibration works perfectly. Nothing broke, everything worked. So that's it. If you got any comments, leave them. If you want to like this, hit the like button. Want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.